Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is accrue. 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 Accrue is a verb that means to gradually accumulate, increase, or build up over time. It often refers to the gathering of benefits, interest, or obligations, especially in a financial or legal context. Here are some examples. Example number 1. Interest will accrue on your savings account, increasing your overall balance. Why accrue is used in example number 1. Accrue signifies the gradual accumulation of interest on savings accounts, leading to an increase in the account balance. Example number 2. Retirement plans allow individuals to accrue savings over their working years, ensuring financial security in retirement. Why accrue is used in example number 2. Accrue signifies the gradual accumulation of savings over one's working years, ensuring financial security during retirement. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.